Welcome back everyone. If you really want to speak English, repeat after me and watch the video till the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The first sentence is चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start now. Let's start now. मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I am not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry. मेरे कमरे में मत आओ. Don't come to my room. Don't come to my room. दोबारा नहीं. Not again. Not again. अकेले नहीं. Not alone. Not alone. तुम्हारे बिना. Without you. Without you. मेहनत करते रहना. Keep working hard. Keep working hard. एक बार मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me once. Look at me once. लाइट चली गई. The power went off. The power went off. वह हार नहीं मानेगा. He will not give up. He will not give up. अंग्रेजी कैसे बोलें? How to speak English. How to speak English. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. अब तुम बच्चे नहीं हो. You are not a kid anymore. You are not a kid anymore. कौन कौन वहां जा रहा है? Who else is going there? Who else is going there? बात करनी है तो करो. If you want to talk then talk. If you want to talk then talk. करूं तो क्या करूं? What do I do? What do I do? मेरे पास और कोई रास्ता नहीं है. I have no other option. I have no other option. मेरा विश्वास करो. Believe me. Believe me. छोटे छोटे वाक्य बनाओ. Make small sentences. Make small sentences. तुम्हारा आखिरी फैसला क्या है? What is your final decision? What is your final decision? मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. तुम्हें यह सब कैसे पता? How do you know all this? How do you know all this? मुझे यह समझ नहीं आया. I did not get it. I did not get it. मेरा पेट खराब है. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. तुम नहीं. Not you. Not you. मुझे यहीं उतार दो. Drop me off here. Drop me off here. अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखें? How to learn English. How to learn English. क्या यह अच्छा है? Is it good? Is it good? क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I come in a while. I come in a while. अब क्या? What now? What now? क्या करें? What to do? What to do? क्या तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है? Is anyone around you? Is anyone around you? तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई. Your hard work paid off. Your hard work paid off. ये इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. It is not that difficult. It is not that difficult. काश मैं तुमसे पहले मिला होता. I wish I would have met you earlier. I wish I would have you met earlier. तुम्हारी तबीयत अब कैसी है? How is your health now? How is your health now? कोई नहीं आया. Nobody came. Nobody came. यहाँ सबसे अच्छा होटल कौन सा है? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? मैं समझता हूँ. I understand. I understand. यह आपकी मेहरबानी है. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. सावधान रहें. Be careful. Be careful. मुझे थोड़ा पानी पीने दो. Let me have some water. Let me have some water. बस जाने वाली है. The bus is about to leave. The bus is about to leave. जैसा आपको पसंद. As you like. As you like. मैं अब कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I can't do anything now. I can't do anything now. कौन हो सकता है? Who could it be? Who could it be? ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है. It is all because of you. It is all because of you. कुछ तो होने वाला है. Something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. उसको लाना मत भूलना. Don't forget to bring him. Don't forget to bring him. मुझे तुम्हारी फिक्र है. I care about you. I care about you. तुम कब से यहाँ हो? Since when have you been here? Since when have you been here? ये मेरे काबू से बाहर है. This is out of my control. This is out of my control. भगवान का आशीर्वाद हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ है. God's grace is always with you. God's grace is always with you. हमें बुरी आदतें छोड़ देनी चाहिए. We should give up bad habits. We should give up bad habits. दूसरों की नकल मत करो. Don't copy others. Don't copy others. आग जली रहने दो. Keep the fire on. Keep the fire on. इस मोबाइल को दोनों हाथों से पकड़ो. Hold this mobile with both hands. Hold this mobile with both hands. वो अपना वादा पूरा कर रहा है. He is fulfilling his promise. He is fulfilling his promise. मैं थोड़ी देर बाद आऊंगा. I will come after a while. I will come after a while. वो हमेशा की तरह मेरे पास आया. He came to me as usual. He came to me as usual. वो कब से इंतजार कर रहा है. How long has he been waiting for? How long has he been waiting for? मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ. I kept my words. I kept my words. वो बहुत बातूनी हैं. He is very talkative. He is very talkative. मैं अपने मन की करता हूँ. I have my own ways. I have my own ways. मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. I have pain in my hand. I have pain in my hand. कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? हर चीज की एक सीमा होती है. There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. क्या आप गुस्से में हैं? Are you angry? Are you angry? क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? यहाँ सबसे अच्छा होटल कौन सा है? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? शायद ये सच हो. This may be true. This may be true. इस जगह का नाम क्या है? What is the name of this place? What is the name of this place? भविष्य में ऐसा मत करना. Don't do so in the future. Don't do so in the future. आपको यह घर कैसा लगा? How did you like this house? How did you like this house? मैं एक महीने की छुट्टी पर हूँ. I am on leave for a month. I am on leave for a month. मैं इस भाषा को जानता हूँ. I know this language. I know this language. समय ही धन है. Time is money. Time is money. ट्रेन यहाँ कब तक रुकेगी? How long will the train stop here? How long will the train stop here? कृपया मेरे लिए प्रतीक्षा ना करें. Please don't wait for me. Please don't wait for me. यह बस कहाँ जाती है? Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? क्या मैं आपसे एक मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? मुझे लगता है कि मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है. I think I have seen you somewhere. I think I have seen you somewhere. बाजार कितनी दूर है? How far is the market? How far is the market? यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. आपकी आवाज बहुत मधुर है. Your voice is very sweet. Your voice is very sweet. मैं और क्या कर सकता था? What else could I do? What else could I do? समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? उसके सारे पैसे खो गए. He lost all his money. He lost all his money. तुम्हारा समय पूरा हुआ. Your time is up. Your time is up.